Here we are at the Pocket Wilderness, and here's some water coming off of a wall, and I'm standing where the old coal mine used to be, and these are what's left of the tracks where they used to take the coal down off of the mountain. And here we have a little waterfall. And this waterfall's always been here, as long as I can remember. We're right above Blue Hole. And this is the sweetest little thing. And it comes down ice cold, spring water. And it flows right across the trail, down the mountain, and right into the creek. And there's the creek. And there's the trail.